welcome to the web development tutorial. My name is Aniket. Today we are going to discuss what is HTML and how to work with HTML. For that, I'm using brackets as an editor to work with HTML. So you can download the bracket editors from official website brackets.io. So this is the button, download brackets. There is a current version 1.14. Okay, so you can configure your folders and files at this particular location. This is the area where you can write your HTML code, your file, and right hand side this option is for live preview. So whatever code you have written in HTML, if you want to view the output, you can simply click live preview option. Now before that we need to understand what is HTML. So simple. First, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Now what is a hypertext markup language is? Whenever I want to write certain text which will display in the browser, we need to decorate that particular text. That text is called as hypertext. So for that, HTML provides a markup. So that markup is nothing but built-in tags in HTML. So we need to use built-in tags, and by using these built-in tags, we can design our web page. So for example, if I want to design a web page, like I want to design login form, I want to design a registration form, or anything forms like feedback form and so on, we can design with the help of HTML. Now for that, HTML provides some built-in tags. So we'll see one by one. Before that, we'll just go into the structure of HTML. So I'll just minimize the notepad. So this is the area we'll write your code. So whenever we want to start with HTML, we need to write HTML tag. So this is the area. So this HTML is a start tag. This HTML is a end tag. That means what? This is the start of my HTML page. This is the end of my HTML page. So whatever the code that we need to write, it should be inside that particular tag. Now HTML divides area in two sections. One is header section and the second one is body section. Now head section probably will use to add some documentation. For example, I want to add a title of my page, so I'll say title HTML demo. This is my title of my web page. Similarly, if I want to add certain other references in my application or in this particular HTML page, we can use in the head section. Second, body section will be used to write the content which should be displayed inside the browser. Now let's start with the built-in tags in HTML. So simply we'll start with the headings tag. So first of all, I will write h1 as my heading. So h1 is a heading in HTML. So I'll just simply write this is h1 heading in HTML. Now I'll simply say Control S, save my file. I want to check the live preview, so I'll click here, live preview option. So by default it will use as Chrome to display your output. Here we go with the output. So this is h1 heading in HTML. So we will say HTML provides h1 as the largest heading to display headings in your web page. Similarly, HTML provides other headings like h2. So I will write here this is h2 heading. Okay. Similarly, I will add h3. So I'll say this is h3 heading. Similarly, I will add h4 tag. I will say this is h4 heading. Again, we'll add one more heading, that is h5. We'll say this is h5 heading. Same, next h6. This is h6 heading. If I save and simply open the live preview option, so we'll get the output like this. So we have h1 to h6. So largest heading is a h1 heading, smallest heading is a h6 heading. Now if you notify, we are providing a pair tags in HTML. For example, h1 is a start tag, h1 is a close tag. H2 is the start tag, H2 is a closing tag. Similarly, we having H3 to H6. All these are the start tags, and at right hand side, all these are the closing tags. That means what? If you are writing your content inside this particular heading, it will be treated as a largest heading. If you are writing your content inside the H6, this will be treated as a smallest heading in HTML. So if you see, so this will be your output. Okay, now we'll move on to the next HTML element or a tag, that is p tag. Now this p stands for paragraph. For example, I'll say this is my sample text in paragraph. Okay, so for time being, I'll just copy the text and paste it here for 4 times. Now if I save this, if you look output, so we'll get what? Paragraph. So this is a simple paragraph. So if you want to write some paragraph, if I want to write some blog, some content, some information, so you can use this p tag, which will be used for a paragraph. Okay, similarly, now we'll move on to one more tag in HTML, that will be a div tag. So div is nothing but a division tag. So it can be used as the same like a paragraph. So I'll copy the text from this and paste it here. I'll just simply change the word. This is my div tag. Okay, so I'll just replace the words div tag, div tag, div. Okay, I'll just simply save. If you check the output, again we'll get a div tag. Okay, so these are nothing but some built-in tags that we have seen here. H1 to H6 headings, p tag paragraph, div tag is for division. Okay, now in next tutorial we'll continue with the next tags in HTML. So stay tuned with the HTML series and like and subscribe as well. Thank you so much guys.